Hi friends, thanks for watching today. We're in beautiful Jomtien Beach, just on the other side of Pattaya. And today's episode will be a walk down the beach. Thanks again for watching. That's Jomtien Beach down there. Really beautiful, quiet place. Wow, would you look at that view? Really beautiful today. Come walk with me. Let's go. Always thought this sign was pretty cool. They have these along the beach, let you know which beach you're at. Seems like there's a lot of activity today. Tuesday afternoon. Guess people are tired of staying home. Up here is where a lot of the poor people wait for food giveaways. They have several a day here. We just missed one. They queue up along the beach and get free food. These are usually sponsored by the public or some local businesses. It's a nice thing they do for the community. Our neighborhood dolphin. See all the way to Bonsaray down there. And we go back out here to the street. That's a colorful little shop. Down on Soi 5, this is where immigration is located. Looks kind of quiet. Kayaks you can rent. This is the volleyball courts. And look at that, we got lifeguards on duty. No one's allowed on the beach or in the water. I think they're being used as security these days. Getting a little quieter down at this end, down by Soi 7. This is another new high-rise condo on the beach. It's called Copa Cabana. And they pre-sold the units, and those pre-sold units are on the market now, and they're not even quite finished. Bringing the big city to Jomtien. There's an old tree stump. Must have been cut down years ago. Funny they left it there. It does look cool. Gotta love the view, huh, guys? It's beautiful out here. Sit back and relax. Ah. Yeah, this is the Jomtien night market. Unfortunately, it's all closed like everything else. And there's a good view of the Copa Cabana. Damn, big. Good location. Look at that. Nice view to wake up and have coffee to in the morning. It's a swimming pool in front of the Copa Cabana sales office. Here we have the boat ramp in Jomtien. It's been quiet lately, but look at all these trailers. That's telling me there's a lot of boats out in the water today. Of course, I don't see many, but there's one. One of the reasons probably is because the water is so calm today. The last few weeks we've had pretty big swells out here, and it wouldn't have been safe for boats. My favorite view over there, Colarn. Thanks for watching, friends, and please smash the like button and subscribe. It helps. We're at Cowboy Coffee on Jomtien Beach. Stop for a cup of coffee on my little walk. Look at all these sweets. Too bad I'm on a diet. And there's my coffee. Lovely. Nice looking palm trees. Almost feel tropical, huh? I feel tropical. I do love this beach. Jomtien is more popular with the Bangkok locals than it is with tourists, because tourists mostly go to Pattaya, and their beach isn't quite so nice. But the people from Bangkok come down on the weekends, and this place is usually packed because it's more quiet and peaceful. It doesn't have the rowdy nightlife that Pattaya has. But people love what they love, and it's nice to have a little bit each. This is the Jomtien Beach Renourishment Project. What they're doing here is extending the beach out about 150 meters. They did this recently in Pattaya, and it come out really nice. And apparently they're going to do it here too. They're bringing sand out from the islands and increasing the length of this beach. Should last about a year or two, this project, but it's nice. I certainly like it. Well, folks, thanks for enjoying this beautiful day with me. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.